favorite things to do when it comes to planning a Disney World vacation is picking out all of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing during my visit. I absolutely love coordinating all of my outfits with the different parks I'm going to be visiting, the different activities that I'm going to be taking part in, but it can be overwhelming trying to figure out what you want to wear for each day, especially if you're going during certain seasons like summertime, because there are definitely certain things that you're going to want to be wearing. We are headed to Disney World in a couple of days, and that's why today I wanted to share with you some Disney World summer outfit ideas, and all of these items are from Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, it's an online styling service that helps you pick out outfits for yourself, and there are two services that they have that I really like. They have a fix option and a freestyle option. With the fix option, you'll actually get paired up with a stylist. You'll take a styling quiz and they will curate some outfits to you that will be sent to you, and you can choose to keep items or send them back. Right now, Stitch Fix is actually doing a deal where if you keep all 5 of the items in your box, you actually get 25% off of your entire purchase. But they also have an option called Freestyle where you can actually pick and choose items to purchase from their website, which is personally what I did here. Now, all of these items were sent to me. I'm very appreciative of Stitch Fix helping me on this upcoming Disney World trip, but Stitch Fix is also very helpful because there are a lot of different brands on Stitch Fix, so you don't have to worry about going to different stores, shopping on different online shops. Everything's just in one spot in one location, and I have a couple of outfits that I want to share with you today. When going to Disney World in the summertime, there's 2 things you can absolutely guarantee as far as weather goes. It's going to be very hot, or it's going to be very rainy, or both in some cases. Now, for this reason, I like gearing my outfits around comfort, breathability, and how easily they can dry. First off, let's talk about skirts that you can wear to the parks. I absolutely love wearing skirts to Disney World because I find that they're very breathable. They can be very lightweight, and especially if they have pockets, that is a very nice perk of them. Now, on our upcoming trip, this is what I'm going to be wearing for one of our park days. This was a Market and Spruce knit skirt that is from Stitch Fix. I love this skirt because it is very lightweight. It also has this nice ombre pattern where I can wear multiple different tops. So this is kind of a staple piece that I can bring, maybe wear it multiple days, wear it some mornings or some evenings, and I can bring different shirts to match throughout my time at Disney World. Stitch Fix does have different skirt options on their website as well. I found a couple that I really enjoyed here. They look like a nice legging material, so those would be very comfortable for park days. They also come in different colors, which is nice. You can kind of mix and match with different tops. But as far as the skirt that I personally got from them, I think it's very flattering, and like I said, it's very light, it's a breathable fabric, and it's also very cute as well. I love the ombre pattern that it has here. You can wear leggings to the park as well, but I usually like wearing shorts or skirts. I am a huge fan of skorts, but athletic shorts are also very comfortable, especially if they have pockets. You can kind of hold your phone or any other essentials that you have at the park. Ultimately, everything that goes into park planning during the summertime, I always recommend keeping in mind comfortability and breathability for your clothing. Moving on to another outfit staple, of course, when you're going to the parks, you're gonna have to figure out a pair of shoes to wear. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that I absolutely recommend bringing comfortable shoes you know that are comfortable to the parks, because you're gonna do so much walking when you're at Disney World. And I was really excited on Stitch Fix because I saw that they had a pair of these Strappy Croc wedges. If you know me, you know I love the Croc wedges for my park days, and I am so excited to be wearing these now to Disney World. These are the Strappy Crocs, so they do have more of a like breathable strappy pattern to them, and I also think they are super cute. They are this like cream color, which will match with almost anything that I'm going to be wearing to the park. So this is just a good staple piece to have for your park visit, so you don't have to bring a bunch of shoes with you. It is a little hard to show right now, but this is one of the outfits I'll be wearing to Disney World. And like I said, I'm going to be bringing the Croc wedges. They are so comfortable when going to the parks, and I'll be wearing them with almost every outfit that I'm going to be bringing, so I really only have to pack one pair of shoes, which is such a deal. So sandals are very nice and breathable to wear to Disney World. They do have other options on Stitch Fix, but another thing that I usually wear is a go-to pair of tennis shoes. I did find this pair of Tom's tennis shoes on Stitch Fix. I have not personally worn them before, but they look super cute for a nice casual evening outfit, maybe for a dinner. It looks like something that you can pair with like a skirt or a dress, so it looks like a little bit more of a casual dressy type sneaker. But as far as shoes go, I highly recommend, as I said, to wear something that you know is comfortable, that you've worn before, and having maybe 2 pairs of shoes to bring with you in case one pair doesn't work out or they do get wet during the day. It's nice to have 2 pairs to kind of fall back on. And I don't know how I forgot, that's one of the main reasons why I do like the Croc wedges, is because if it does rain during your park day, you do not need to worry about having wet shoes or wet feet because they're Crocs and you don't have to worry about having to wait for them to dry or anything. So that is another huge perk of wearing Crocs during the summertime. Another thing you may know that I bring to Disney World all the time, or that I think is a very good thing to have on hand, is a nice park bag. And Stitch Fix has a wide variety of backpacks and bags that are perfect to bring to the park. But one thing that I was really excited to check out was this new North Face sling bag. Now this is the field bag is what it's called. It's in a cute pink moss color. And I really like this because you can easily put it over your shoulder. It's kind of like a larger belt bag type style bag. As you can see, it is quite a large size, so you could fit a lot of park essentials inside of here, like your sunscreens, your water bottles, your portable chargers, some snacks, all the essentials that I recommend bringing during the summertime to Disney World. But it also has a ton of pockets in it. So it has this large front pocket and then also this large main pocket that has inside. It kind of zips diagonally like this, or I don't know how you would call it, but it has a nice size inside that you can put things in. And I also like, it's very easy to take on and off. It also has this cute little handle where if you just want to walk with it, you can. As you can see, it also matches the outfit here, so this is just going to be a good kind of staple that I can wear with a lot of my outfits because I love the light pale pink color that it has. It also has little straps if you want to hook anything on it, and it also has this other inside zipper. So there's a lot of compartments that it has inside of this bag, so I'm very eager to try this out and use it as my next park bag. I'm going to put it on and kind of show you what it would look like from the back. So this is what it looks like here. So it fits nice and center in my back, and it feels like it would be a nice comfortable thing to wear to Disney World. So I'm very eager to try it out and see how it is. They also have a lot of other North Face backpacks and other athletic type backpacks that you could choose from. So there's a lot on Stitch Fix. I'm personally excited to use the North Face bag here, and it's nice that they have a lot of items to choose from. Final outfit idea that you can wear to Disney World sounds a little bit strange, but one thing that I really like to wear, especially during the summertime, are dresses. It's so nice to have a light, breathable, airy dress that you can wear around the park because it's so much comfier than being restricted by leggings, shorts, and tight shirts. Not to mention there are a lot of dining places at Disney World, so it might be nice to have a dressier outfit to wear to a cute dinner. And I really like this dress. I got it from Stitch Fix as well. It's a very light, breathable kind of floral dress. It is super lightweight, super breathable. If it gets wet, I know it'll dry easy. Of course, you know my one pair of shoes that I'm going to be bringing are the Croc wedges, which they fit perfectly with this outfit. It's the perfect color scheme, but also they are the right type of shoes to just go right with this outfit. I also think it's a very flattering top to wear, and I like to also wear more dressier casual outfits to Disney Springs as well. Like I said, there's a lot of dining places that you can eat there, so you may want to dress up and have a nice dinner outfit to bring with you on your vacation. But not only that, I did say that I like to wear dresses to the park itself. I love light and airy breathable dresses. This is a cute Lilly Pulitzer dress that I have loved on Stitch Fix. The colors are so fun, so vibrant, and it's kind of a nice like t-shirt style dress, or a nicer t-shirt style dress that you could wear to the parks. I also have seen this floral dress on Stitch Fix that I think is absolutely adorable. It would be so cute to wear to one of the resorts for a dinner at one of the resorts. So there's of course lots of dresses that you can choose from on Stitch Fix. Ultimately, I recommend ones that are lightweight, breathable, that look like material that would be comfortable to wear around the parks. Usually ones that are kind of knee length are good ones to go with. You don't want it to be too long whenever you're walking around. And the thing about Disney World is the rides aren't super intense where it seems a little bit unfeasible to wear a dress. There's not too many coasters at Disney World. There's a lot of rides that you can get on and off very easily in dresses, so that's why I choose to wear dresses to Disney World a lot of the times, and skirts, as we have talked about. So these are a lot of the outfit staples that I'm very excited to bring to Disney World and really fit into the outfits that I normally wear to the Disney parks. I think it's so helpful that Stitch Fix has literally everything that you could need for a Disney vacation as far as outfit goes. There's lots of options. It's very easy to scroll through and look at different items that they have and easily have them sent to your house, or just go ahead and do a scheduled fix where a stylist can send some items to you. I'll be linking all of the items that I have tried on here today in the description bar below, and also a link to the deal where you can get 25% off your fix box if you keep all 5 of your items. Let me know what you like to wear to the Disney parks. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I hope you have a great time on your trip. Enjoy your time at Disney World in the summer. We'll see you guys.